Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog. This is around the house. It's also a project for this Jake, and or I guess I can call it, I just bought it. Well, I didn't buy it, but the wife bought it. We went up to Rochester yesterday to Harbor Freight because they were having a sale on on certain tools, and because I'm working on the Ford Explorer, and I'm gonna have to press that not necessarily press the bearing out, because you could get a bearing puller, but it's going to be getting the hub out of the bearing, which is what I'm concerned with, and putting the new one back in. So I was going to take it over to my buddy's because he's got a press, and then I could think about, like, Jesus, if I'm going to be doing this on a regular basis, or almost on a regular basis, why don't I go ahead and buy me an actual press, my own press, and it's going to pay for itself, you know. And checked Harbor Freight, and they had a deal on 2 different presses, and all under $150. So I went ahead and got myself a commercial press, and I will be putting that together in the next video here. There's your actual press itself. It's in the box there. So big thing is going to be getting the frame out of the back of the getting the frame out of it. This is a 2 of 2, a 20-ton shop press from Central Machinery. And I had actually the store manager help me get it in the back. Come to find out, that puppy's 183 pounds. And I got the commercial grade. All right, with that said, 183 pounds is now inside, and we'll put that together. I'm not exactly sure where I want to put it. I'm thinking I'm going to put it right there. I'll slide everything down just a little bit, and I can station that thing right here. This will be perfect. Slide my tabletop down, slide the chop saw down, and I'll build it, and I'll put it right here, right where I can get to it. All right, stay tuned for that one.